Welcome back to another deal video here at Harbor Freight. They released another set of Merry Christmas coupons that are in place of the super coupons. It does run from December 15th all the way to December 28th, so you do have a couple weeks to capture these deals. And I'm going to go over the top ones in this video, and I will have a link in the description to the coupons themselves so you can take a look at all what's available. So I'm not going to be able to cover all the deals in them. But I am starting off here in the air compressor tools. They have a pretty good deal on the Earthquake XT half-inch air impact wrenches. They do come available in 7 different colors to choose from, and they are rated at 1,200 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque and up to 8,000 RPM. It does have a 3-speed regulator. It is normally priced at $129.99. You're going to be able to save $40 on that. So they're only going to be $89.99, which is saving 31%. Excellent deal on this. They're running a deal on the Fortress Ultra Quiet Series 10-gallon air compressor. They do say it's 80% quieter. It's rated up to 175 PSI, and they do have that normally priced at $289.99, but you'll be able to save $40 on that. So it's only going to be $250. And they have a pretty good deal on the McGraw 20-gallon, 135 PSI vertical shop auto air compressor. It does have one air port to it, nice analog gauges with it. It does take oil lube, and it's rated at 1.6 horsepower. So pretty good deal priced at only $200. That is saving $50 on that. So good pickup, be saving 20% on it. They're running a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh heavy duty bottle jack, the 12-ton one. This does reach a max height of 18 inches and a minimum height of 9 inches. They do have that normally priced at $40, but with the Merry Christmas coupon, you'll be able to save 37% on that. So it's only going to be $25. And they're running decent savings on the Bauer. It is tool only on the variable speed grease gun, 20 volt. It does have a 36-inch flex hose to it and an LED light. It's rated up to 10,000 max PSI. Is 8 ounce a minute flow rate. It is normally priced at $130, but you'll be able to save $20 on that, so it's going to be $110. The next deal is on this battery operated liquid transfer pump. It does pump over 6 quarts per minute. It can pump gas, water, oil, non-corrosive liquids. Use it in the garage, shop, yard, marine, basement, bathroom, or aquariums. I used to have one of these pumps, and it did pretty good. It is powered by 2D batteries. Well, this is normally priced at $13.49, but with the coupon, you'll be able to save 48% on that. So it's only going to be $7. That'd be a great pickup on that. Awesome deal. Now, I can't find this next item in the store display, but they do have a deal on the 1,800-pound capacity motorcycle stand wheel chock. It's going to be priced $55. That is saving 21%. These do come in handy to use, especially on a trailer, help hold your motorcycle in place. It does have a couple tie downs on that as well, and it's a great deal at $55. And another bottle jack option they have is on the Pittsburgh 12-ton air hydraulic bottle jack. So they do have this bottle jack normally priced at $120. You'll be able to save $20 on that, so it's only going to be $100. And they do have a deal on the Viking 12-volt jump starter. It's good for up to V8 gas and V6 diesel. It's rated at 1,700 peak amps and 500 cranking amps. Heavy duty clamps with 2 AWG cables. And it also has 2.4 amp USB output, so you can charge other devices with it. It does have a nice carry handle built in, as well as a LED light strip. It is normally priced at $190. With the coupon, you'll be able to save $20 on that, so it's only $170. Another Viking option is on the heavy-duty jumper cables. It's 20 feet at 2-gauge wire. That's priced at normally $40, but you'll be able to save 16% on that, so it's only going to be $35.99. This is the month I'm doing another $100 gift card giveaway, and all you have to do to enter to win is simply leave a comment below. I'm doing that because you guys got me past the 20,000 subscriber mark last month, so I'm doing it again this month. But I do have a new goal to get to 30,000 subscribers by the end of this month. I need you to help me get me there. If you're not subscribed already, 91% of my viewers on my channel are not subscribed, so there's definitely room for improvement on my channel. I do appreciate that support. It's free to subscribe, in case you didn't know already, and help me get to that 30,000 goal by the end of the month. And if we can reach it, then I will be doing a giveaway of 5 gold icon ratchets that are the 3/8 one. But I do have to get to that 30,000 goal by the end of the month in order to give them away. So help me get there. I do appreciate you guys subscribing and all the support that you guys have done. Thanks so much. Let's move on to the next deal. And I'm running a great deal on the Pittsburgh 4-piece tongue and groove joint pliers set. So it does come with 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch groove joint pliers. They do have the lifetime warranty on it. It's normally priced at 17 bucks. You're actually going to be able to save 41% on that. Awesome deal, priced at only $10. So not bad for only $2.50 each. And how about saving 20% on this Pittsburgh 21-piece high vis socket set? Does come with a nice organizer there for the sockets that do come in both SAE and metric. And here are the sizes that it does come with. This also has a lifetime warranty. This is normally priced at 25 bucks. But like I said, you'll be able to save 20% on that. So it's only going to be $20. And you can save $25 on this Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set. That's 225 pieces. But they have 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, SAE and metric sockets included. Does come in a hard plastic case with a nice organizer. Also lifetime warranty. It's normally priced at 140 bucks for that. But you'll be able to save 25. So it'll only be $115. And they have a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh 7-piece crowfoot wrench set. They're available in both metric and SAE. These are normally priced at $14.99. But with the Merry Christmas coupon, you'll be able to save 33% on those. So it's only going to be 10 bucks each. It does have a limit of 4 you can go with. And another Pittsburgh deal is on the 14-piece combination wrench set. They have them available in SAE and metric. These are the sizes in the SAE from a 1/4 inch up to 1.125". And then the metric ones run from size 8 to 25 millimeters. These are each priced at 25 bucks, but you'll be able to save 20% off on those. So it's only going to be $20. And they do have a limit of 3. And if you're in need of a new torque wrench, they have this one by Quinn, the 3/8 drive with the lifetime warranty. It's good from 20 to 100 foot-pounds of torque range. This does look like a nice compact one. And this is normally priced at $69.99, but you'll be able to save 28% on this. So it's only going to be 50 bucks. And they have a pretty good deal on the Quinn electronics repair kit. It's 87 total pieces included. It has many different bits as well as wedges to help open up electronics. It does come in a nice case as well. And it's a static discharge strap to allow safe handling of sensitive components, and 64 specialty bits for working on the most common electronics. This is normally priced at 40 bucks, but with the Merry Christmas coupon, you'll be able to save 25% on this set. So it's only going to be 30 bucks. They have a pretty good deal on the Vanguard 15-foot 16-gauge extension cord. It's rated for medium use. It's normally priced at 10 bucks, but you'll be able to save 30% on that. So it's only be $7. And they have good savings on the Storehouse Marine Heat Shrink tubing assortment set. It's 42 pieces. This is what the set includes of the different sizes and how many. This is normally priced at $6.49, but you'll be able to save 38% on that. So it's only going to be $3.99. And if you're in need of a different heat shrink tubing assortment, they have this one that has different colors. And it's 120 piece total of these different sizes. So they're running a good deal on this also. It's normally priced at $4.49, but you'll be able to save 33% on this. So it's only going to be $2.99. So in case you missed out on this previous weekend deal of saving 20% off of one item for the ITC members, and I mentioned this in that last video of being able to save 20% on the Hercules 12-gallon OSHA compliant dust extractor. Well, in case you missed out on the deal, this is normally priced at 370 bucks. But with the Merry Christmas coupon they just released, you're going to be able to save 70 bucks on that. So it's only 300. So it would be just a few dollars more versus saving the 20%. Next deal's on the Bauer 3-gallon wet dry vacuum. It's nice and compact and small. It does have 3 peak horsepower and a 4-foot kink resistant hose. It does have both dry and wet filters. It's normally priced at 40 bucks. But you'll be able to save 25% on this. So it's only going to be $30. And another Bauer vacuum option is on the 6-gallon, 4 peak horsepower. It does have a 7-foot kink resistant hose. It does say it has a washable cartridge filter as well. This is normally priced at $55. With the Merry Christmas coupon, you'll be able to save 18%. So it's only going to be 45 bucks. And if you need some new vacuum attachments to go with the new shop vac, they have this one by Bauer. It includes 8 detailing tools with that. This is normally priced at $29.99, but with the coupon you'll be able to save 33% on that, so it's only going to be 20 bucks. The next deal is on the Hallmaster forearm lifting straps. So it's like the forearm forklift where you'll be able to move around heavy appliances by using your forearms. These are handy to have. I have a set myself of the different brand. These are rated for up to 700 pounds, and it's normally priced at 15 bucks, but with the coupon you'll be able to save 26% on them. So they'll only be $11. And they also have a decent deal on the Franklin 1000 foot by 5-inch high performance stretch wrap. So it'd be great for packing and shipping and storage. It's normally priced at 10 bucks, but with the coupon you'll be able to save 30% on that, so it's going to be $7. They do have a couple deals on the Bauer cordless blower that's rated at 338 CFM, 96 miles per hour. They have the one that has the kit with it. That's the 5 amp hour battery and charger. This would be the one I recommend picking up if you're in the market, because it's only going to be 90 bucks. It is saving 10. Consider that's an awesome deal, considering that the 5 amp hour battery and charger starter pack is 100 bucks. So why not get the blower with that for free, basically, and even cheaper then. They do have the tool only option as well. So if you don't need the battery or charger, they do have a deal on that one as well. It's going to be priced at $42. That is saving 16%. And then to give you that example, like the Bauer 5 amp hour battery starter kit is 100 bucks. So why not get the free blower and then save additional 10 bucks on that. And if you're looking to get their mini Bauer 1800 PSI electric power washer, they're running a deal on it again where you're able to save basically 20% on it. So it's only going to be 80 bucks for this. So it's going to be a decent deal on that. It does include a 20-foot hose. It's rated up to 1.2 gallon per minute with the water flow. It does have built-in storage for the different nozzles. It is nice and compact and has a nice carry handle with it. Another deal they have on the coupons, but I can't find the actual model in the store, is on the 12 amp electric log splitter by Central Machinery. It's going to be priced at 300 bucks. It's saving 30. On the Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, this is the one that's very similar to the DeWalt one. It does have a precision blade guide system with the on-off switch, just like the DeWalt would have, where it highlights the blade and where the cut line is going to be, how they show it here in this picture. You missed out on the previous weekend where you would have been able to save 20% on the one item. That would have been the time to get it. So you're only going to be able to save 30 bucks on it now. That's going to be priced at $320. And they do have a coupon deal on the Bauer 6-tool combo kit with 2 batteries and a charger, which it includes a 3 amp hour and a 1.5 amp hour battery. The tools that it includes is a drill, impact driver, a blower, oscillating tool, a circular saw, and a light. That is normally priced at 250 bucks, but with the coupon you'll be able to save $30 on that. So it's going to be $220. And they have pretty good savings on the Warrior magnetic nut setter set. Say that 50 times in a row. It's going to be the 9-piece in the SAE size. It runs from size 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch. It does have a nice little organizer to keep them organized. And they're on the 1/4 inch hex shank. Those are normally priced at 4 bucks. Maybe you'll save 37% on those, so it's going to be $2.50. And if you're in need of some masonry bits, they have this Hercules 12-inch carbide hammer drill masonry bit set, 3 pieces that are 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/8 in size. So you're able to drill into concrete, brick, cinder block, and tile with these. It's normally priced at 17 bucks. But you'll be able to save 23% on that, so it's going to be $13. And if you need more masonry drill bits, they do have the Hercules 6-piece option that runs from size 5/32 up to 1/2 inch. Again, it's good for drilling into tile, concrete, brick, and cinder block. These are normally priced at 17 bucks, but you'll be able to save 23% on that, so it's going to be $12.99. And if you're needing some new cutoff wheels for your angle grinder, they're running an awesome deal on the Bauer ones, the 10-pack. That is only priced at 8 bucks. But with the coupon, you'd be able to save 37% on that. Excellent deal at $5. And here's another good deal on the Hercules 4.5 inch double row segmented diamond cup wheel. So you'd be able to level out some concrete with this. It's ideal for concrete, thin set, and mortar. and masonry. It's normally priced at 50 bucks. Maybe will save 20% on this, so it's going to be $39.99. And you could pair this diamond wheel with the Hercules 4 to 5-inch surface grinding dust shroud to help collect all the dust in it. They're running on that Christmas sale for only 30 bucks, and it was 35, so that's saving 14%. I did cover that in a previous video, but that'd be a good deal to pick up those. And if you're in need of a new vise, they have a good deal on this Doyle 4.5-inch one. It does weigh 39 pounds, has a lifetime guarantee, and it has an anvil there on the back part of it. Looks like a pretty nice vise. It is normally priced at 150 bucks, but you'll be able to save $50 on that. So it's going to be $99.99. So that's basically 33% off. Pretty good deal. And they have another Doyle vise option. If you need to hook one up to your hitch on your truck, they have this one. It's a 6-inch one with 5 3/4-inch jaw opening. It's 30 pounds and it has 7,700 pound clamping force. This is normally priced at $120, but with the coupon you'll be able to save $30 on that. So it'll be $90. But that might be pretty cool to just put it on the back of a truck and have it just hanging there. No one will rear end you then. And they have a pretty good deal on the Bauer portable thickness planer. It's 12.5 inches, 15 amp motor, and it has 2 knife cutter heads. It's rated at 18,800 cuts per minute, and it does 3/32 of an inch depth of cut. It is normally priced at 350 bucks for this, but you're gonna be able to save $50 on that. So it's going to be $299.99. And they have the Central Machinery 6-inch by 48-inch belt and 9-inch disc sander. It does have 2 dust ports on it. It's rated at 1 horsepower. It's made of a cast iron body. It is normally priced at $279.99, but you'll be able to save $30 on that. So it's going to be 250 bucks. And they even have a deal on the Central Machinery 7-inch by 10-inch precision mini lathe. It's rated at 3/4 horsepower. And it goes from 1100 to 2500 RPM, and it's 12 to 52 threads per inch. They have a good deal on this. It's only priced at 700 bucks, but you'll save $100, so it's going to be 600 bucks. And they do have a pretty good deal on the US General magnetic screwdriver holder. So it has a nice bin right here. It's like that wide. It does have 3 slots on each side for screwdrivers or other tools. They do have that normally priced at $14.99. With the coupon, you'll be able to save 33% on that, so it's only 10 bucks. It does come available in the different colors they offer in the different toolboxes, so that's a great deal, saving 33%. All right, that's going to be the top deals I'm going to cover in these Merry Christmas coupons. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description to the full set of coupons you can review. And if you enjoyed content like this, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're updated on new deal videos that I do in the future. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.